Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's try how to make this mustard chicken, which is made with a marination of mustard paste. Really subtle mustard flavor for this chicken recipe. Let's see how to do it. Now for the marination, soak some mustard seeds with some cashew nuts in warm water for 1 hour. Then strain the excess water. With the mustard seeds, add some green chili and ginger, turmeric powder, salt and some cumin powder and make it into a really fine paste. With that, add some yogurt and mustard oil and mix it. Now our mustard marination is ready. Add that to chicken. Here I've used boneless chicken pieces. Mix it really well and keep it aside for 30 minutes for marinating. After 30 minutes, take a pan, add the chicken with the marination, give it a mix, close the lid and cook the chicken. You have to cook this on a medium to low flame. After a few minutes, you can see water comes out of the chicken. Cook till all the water gets evaporated. Once the chicken is nicely cooked, our mustard chicken is ready. Transfer that onto a plate. You can enjoy this as a starter or serve it with chapati or white rice. So do try out this unique recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.